My name is Adla Ajay Kumar. I am pursuing BTech second year in VVATU College in ECE stream. My roll number is 24BQ1A04I8. Today, I want to tell you a seminar topic about Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra is basically based on mainly two bits, that is 0 and 1. When we use 0 input, that is false, and when we use 1 input, that is true. Basically, Boolean algebras are based on AND, OR, and NOT gates. The laws of the laws in the Boolean algebra are commutative law. Commutative law is based on only two inputs, that is A and B. When the inputs are A and B, we have to perform addition of that two inputs, A plus B equal to B plus A. When we take two inputs, when we use that inputs in reverse order, that also the answer will be same. For binary addition, A plus B equal to B plus A. For binary multiplication, A into B equal to B into A. For example, if we take A equal to 0 and B equal to 1, A plus B equal to 0 plus 1, that will give us a true output. Then B plus A equal to 1 plus 0, that will also give us a true output. Next, we will go into associative law. In associative law, we take three inputs, A, B and C. The associative law is followed by the A plus of B plus C equal to A plus B of plus C. For binary multiplication, A into bracket of B into C equal to A into B into C. For example, if we take A equal to 0, B equal to 1 and C equal to also 1. First we have to check LHS condition. For binary multiplication, A into B into C. First we have to do multiplication on the inputs which are in the brackets, that is B into C. That equal to A 0 into B into C equal to 1 into 1. Therefore we get output as true output to 1. 0 into 1 equal to 0. Next, we have to do the operation on right side operands, that equal to which are in brackets A into B into C, which are in brackets A equal to 0, B equal to 1 into 1. 0 into 1 equal to 0. That is 0 into 1 equal to 0. That output into 1 equal to 0. Next we will go to inverse the elements. In inverse elements law, A bar equal to 1 by A. If A plus A bar equal to 1, when we take the complement of that number and add it to the same without complement, then we get 1. If we take the complement and the number, when we multiply it, we will get 0. These are called inverse elements. If we take A equal to 1, the inverse of the 1 equal to 0. Next we will go to distributive law. If a set has to satisfy distributive law, then the condition is A plus of B into C equal to, we will have to split these elements, A plus B into A plus C. Next, we have to do it on a multiplication also. A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. For example, if we take A equal to 1, B equal to 0 and C also equal to 0. First we have to check the condition on LHS. That is A into B plus C, that equal to A equal to 1 into 0 plus 1. First we have to do operation on the numbers which are in the brackets. 1 into 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Therefore 1 into 1 equal to, we will get the true output 1. Next we have to do the operations on right hand side operands. A into B plus A into C equal to 1 into 0, bracket of 1 into 0 plus 1 into 1. That equals to 1 into 0 is 0 and 1 into 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Then we have to, then the next property is identity elements. A plus I equal to A. then a into I also equal to a. If we take identity matrix and when we multiply or add it to the normal matrix, we will get the same matrix. Then these are called identity elements. Next we have to go to idempotent law. In idempotent law, a plus a equal to a, and a into a equal to also equal to a. For example, if we take a equal to 0, then we have to do the operations on idempotent laws. A plus a, that equals to 0 plus 0, also it will give 0 output, that is false. Next, a into a also equals to 0 into 0, that is also equal to 0, which are the same output which we taken as the input. Next, we have to go to De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law is mainly based on the complements. We have to take the a plus b whole complement equal to, and we have to complement the whole numbers, the symbols and the inputs, that equals to a bar plus the complement of plus is equal to multiplication, a plus b whole bar, which will gives the a bar into b bar. Next, the another De Morgan's law is a into b whole bar, that equals to a bar, the complement of multiplication or product symbol is addition, then b bar. The example of De Morgan's law is, for example, if we take a equal to 0 and b equal to 1, first we have to do the left hand operations. A plus b whole bar, that equals to 0 plus 1 whole bar. We get to 0 plus 1 equal to 1. The complement of 1 is 0. Next, 0 bar. Next we have to do the operations on left hand side. 0 bar dot 1, that equals to the complement of 0 is 1 and the complement of 1 is 0. 1 into 0, that equals to 0. That is De Morgan's law. Next, the basic logic gates with the truth tables are: basically the NOT gate is the reversal of the input which we takes. If we take 1 as input, it will, if we do NOT gate operation on that input, we will get 0. If we take 0 as the input, then we will get 1 as the NOT gate operation. Next, OR gate. OR gate is basically based on the addition of the two inputs. If we take A and B inputs of two inputs, for example, if we take 0 and 0 as inputs, we will get output as 0 in the operation of OR gate. That is mainly based on the addition of the two inputs. Next, we take a 0 in A output, 0 in A input and 1 in B input. Then we will get 1 as the input. Next, we take 1 in A and 0 in B. Then we will also get output as 1. If we take 1 and 1 as the inputs in A and B, we will get 1 as output. Next, XOR gate. XOR gate is the operation based on when we have two inputs is 0, we will get 1. When the two inputs are same, we will get output as 1, and when the two inputs are different, we will get output as 0. Next, XNOR gate is a NOT gate of XOR gate. Next we will see the laws in AND form and OR form. First, we see identity law in AND form. 1 into A, that equals to A. In identity law also, that is what we learn. Identity elements, A into I equals to A. Here, A into I equals to A. When we take A as a input, when it is multiplied with identity element, we get that input as a output also. Next, in R form, we take 0 and add it to the input. 0 plus a, that equals to a. Nallula, when we multiply the input with the a, we will get 0 as output. When we add 1 to the input a, we will get 1 as the output. Idempotent law is a into a. When we multiply the two inputs, we will get only the single input as our output. When we sum the two inputs, we will get only then in association. Next, we have to go to commutative law. EB equals to BA. Next, in commutative law, OR gate A plus B equal to B plus A. Then associative law using end form is AB into C equals to A into BC. Next, associative law in R form is A plus B plus C equal to A plus of B plus C. Next, in distributive law, A plus BC equals to A plus B into A plus C. Next, distributive law using R form is A of B plus C is AB plus AC. In absorption law, using AND form is A into A plus B equals to A. In using R form is A plus AB, that equals to A. Next, De Morgan's law. We have in De Morgan's law, AND form is A into B whole bar equals to A bar plus B bar. Then De Morgan's law using A plus B whole bar is A bar into B bar. That's all for the seminar. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.